guys, welcome back to Master Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Cooler from Dragon Ball FighterZ. If you guys are interested, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll remind you about what fighter I could draw next. You guys must know, Cooler is like one of my favorite fighters in the Dragon Ball Dragon Ball Z franchise. And if you must know, Cooler is the older brother of Frieza from the Frieza Force. Well, you see, Frieza's species has the power to transform into four different forms, but Cooler manages to shatter his own limits and manage to achieve a power-up of his own, which is kind of like my favorite. After all, he is one of my favorite fighters in Dragon Ball. Basically that's about it. Okay, here's another thing you must know. You see, when you start drawing him, you must start with the eyes, and then work your way to the top. Okay. Okay, there's his head. There's his head. Okay, so here's his ear. Now here's his crest-like head.
After that you'll understand this horizon never ends. If we lose a fight, I admit it's okay to cry.
Okay.
But we'll keep on going forward.
Next up is his mask. So his mask comes in three different shape of three. Okay. Now that we got the head out of the way, let's draw the body. Here's his neck. Oh, and another known fact about Cooler, he was first seen in the movie Cooler's Revenge from Dragon Ball. You see, in this movie, he murdered Piccolo and and challenged Goku to battle. And believe me, he was really strong. But Goku still took him down. He used his Kamehameha to send him to the sun, which was kind of a bummer, actually. I never got to see Cooler in any other shows. Besides, he came back in the Dragon Ball Heroes. And, here's another known fact about Cooler. He has a futuristic form called Metal Cooler. And just like his like his brother Frieza, he has a golden form. He becomes Golden Metal Cooler. Here's his chest. Okay. Next up is his arm.
It's a tale of the cause when nobody knows. So with a slam, slam, slam. No problem even in a jam, jam, jam.
We jump to action with a bam, bam, bam.
Might burst from all the scene, let's get sparking. First we're getting pumped, then we clash. Winning in the rough, then we laugh. All this passion underneath is my newfound energy. Oh,
Green.
for sure, sun is set through the universe.
And done.
My heart
I wonder if I could do the same thing with the other one.
as we're headed for the ring. It's a tale that grows one that nobody knows. Super Dragon Ball Heroes.
There we go. And that is how you draw a cooler from Dragon Ball Fighters. Pretty awesome, don't you think? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll let you guys know which fighter I'm gonna draw next. I'll see you guys later.